popular sport in my country, which is Mexico, where I come from. And besides it's also very popular in the world. I practice this sport since long time ago, since I was a child. I like it because I can practice anywhere. I can play back in my country. I can play on the streets, in the parks, or even in sports centers. I used to play in a team, and I was very good in my position. I play in all the positions in a team, as a goalie, as a defense, as a midfield. When I score a goal, I feel a great satisfaction because you can feel the adrenaline getting in your body, and you get very excited, and I can imagine. This kind of sport help me to relieve my stress that I gain when I'm working. So when I play soccer, I go out of my mind. I'm only focus on what I'm doing, what I'm playing, how can I play better, how can I help my team to score, or that way I feel I like football, soccer. And also I can enjoy football watching TV, watching my favorite team playing, or watching the World Cup that is very special for me because it comes every 4 weeks, sorry, every 4 years, and it's a very spectacular event. And my team, that is Mexico, or my country, I like it, but I guess the best for the football, soccer, Brazil. So I like it. I like how they play. So and my favorite player is Ronaldinho. So it's a very good hobby for me. Okay, and also I have my equipment to play soccer, football, my jersey, soccer, my tennis shoes. So I hope that you like this speech. If you have any question, okay, thank you. See you later.